So I'm going to do a quick walk around the Defender. It's a 1989 Defender 90. Previous owners have put a Toyota DCM engine in it, and surprisingly it actually has a turbocharger that's not connected to anything. It's an interesting way to build an exhaust manifold, if I may say so. We have an ARB bumper, which is the first thing that's going to go. We've got, I think, a 2-inch or slightly more than that lift. Old man emo struts and springs. By the way, you will see more of this guy. This is Sheru. And coming to the back, we have a car that's in pretty decent shape. We will be changing the doors and not repairing them. It's just faster and a lot more, you could say, reliable to change it this way. We've stripped out the interior completely, so you can see remnants of adhesive where the interior trim used to be. A lot of parts on this car are missing and have been changed. For example, the locks aren't original, a lot of the door isn't original, a lot of the interior panels have been added. There wasn't any surrounds on the windows. Those have been kind of just pasted over and carpeted. So once we're done, you should see this completely transformed. We are also doing the panoramic glass windows. So that's something I'm personally very excited about. It's going to be pretty cool on this 90 with the engine and transmission upgrades. Super kicked about the transmission. Be the first in India with the 8 HP 8-speed ZF box, and definitely we know that box is capable of 700 Nm out of the box, so we will max out power and torque on the engine and try to make this a really fun car to drive. So there you are. Welcome to In the Build.